Hello student, are you ready? I am going to discuss today next chapter complementary angles. First concept of trigonometric ratio of complementary. Two acute angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90. For the example, 30 degree and 60 degree are complementary as we know that their sum 30 degree plus 60 degree equal to 90 degree. Like same way another example, x degree and 90 minus x degree are complementary as sum of the x degree plus 90 minus x degree equal to 90 degree. Complementary angles for sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec. In right hand triangle ABC, sine theta perpendicular, sine theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse means AB by AC, equation first, cos 90 minus theta base AB upon hypotenuse that AC. From these two equations, it is clear that sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta because right side AB by AC in both are equal. Same way tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base AB upon BC and cot 90 minus theta equal to AB upon base upon perpendicular AB upon BC. From this AB upon BC in both right side equal, so that left side equal means tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cosec theta equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular AC upon AB and sec 90 minus theta hypotenuse upon base, in this case AB, for cos 90 minus theta AC upon AB, in this also AC upon AB and AC upon AB equal, therefore cosec theta equal to sec 90 minus theta. Similarly, we can prove that cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta, cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta and sec theta equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Now come on the question. For triangle ABC, so that tan B plus C by 2 equal to cot A by 2. Solution here. For triangle ABC, we know that all the angles of triangles, sum of the all angles of triangles 180. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. Angle B plus C equal to 180 minus A. Divide by 2 both the side. B plus C by 2 equal to 180 minus A by 2. B plus C by 2 equal to 90 minus A by 2. Taking tan both the side, tan B plus C by 2 equal to tan 90 minus A by 2. We know that tan 90 minus theta cot theta, so that tan 90 minus A by 2 equal to cot A by 2. Hence prove that tan B plus C by 2 equal to cot A by 2. And second question, find the value of A where theta is less or equal to A and 90 is greater or equal to A. Sin 90 minus 3A cosec 42 equal to 1 given. Solution sin 90 minus 3A. In cosec 42 place you may be write 1 by sin 42. Therefore sin 90 minus 3A equal to sin 42 degree. Sin cancel. Left here 90 minus 3A equal to 42 degree. 90 minus 42 degree equal to 3A. 48 degree equal to 3A or A equal to 48 degree. Divide by 3, that is 16 degree. Now question third, so that tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree, tan 80 degree equal to 1. Solution of this. Third, tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree and tan 80 degree. You may write tan 10 degree, tan 75 degree, sin tan 15 degree, tan 75 plus you may write 90 degree minus 15 degree and tan in 80 place 90 degree minus 10 degree. Therefore tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree into tan 90 minus theta cot 15 degree and tan 90 minus theta cot 10 degree. Tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree into 1 by cot place you may write 1 upon tan 15 degree into 1 upon tan 10 degree. Now this, therefore answer 1. Question 4. Evaluate cos 70 degree upon sin 20 degree plus cos 59 degree upon sin 31 degree minus 8 sin square 30 degree. Cos 70 degree upon sin 20 degree plus cos 59 degree upon sin 31 degree minus 8 sin square 30 degree. Cos 70 degree sin 90 minus 70 degree plus cos 59 degree sin 90 minus 59 degree and minus 8 sin 1 by 2 whole square sin 30 degree value. This cos 70 degree upon cos 70 degree 90 sin 90 minus theta cos theta plus cos 59 degree upon sin 90 minus theta cos 59 degree and minus 8 by 4. Here 1 plus 1 minus 2, that is 0. Answer is this 0. Here. Now one more question. All of you write down. Now next question. For triangle for triangle ABC so that sin A plus B by 2 equal to cos C by 2. Solution for triangle ABC, sum of total angle A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree or A plus B equal to 180 degree minus C or A plus B by 2 equal to 180 degree minus C by 2. A plus B by 2 equal to 90 degree by C. Sin A plus B by 2 equal to sin 90 degree minus C by 2, taking sin both the side. Sin A plus B by 2 equal to sin 90 minus theta cos C by 2. All of you complete this exercise. Please write down this exercise.